What's up, guys? Welcome to the Mike Dolce Show. I am Mike Dolce, your host, dedicated to bringing you the most actionable, honest, and evidence-based information to dramatically improve your life. Today, we are taking a question by one of you, one of our friends, and someone in our community, Omar. Omar asks, boom, keep the videos coming, coach. Question, perhaps for another video. Well, this is for you, Omar. What about intensity or RPE? I'll explain that. Do you take all sets to technical failure? If so, do you lower the weight after each set to stay in the same rep range due to fatigue? Much thanks. Omar, great question. Thank you so much for putting it out there. Now, let me answer. Yesterday's video, we spoke about the rule of 25 in that we should be performing approximately 25 repetitions in totality for a specific muscle group, maybe not a specific muscle itself, but a grouping of muscles or a grouping for specific activity. We always focus on multi-joint compound movements. I'm working on another video for you guys that details the most effective multi-joint compound movements, but also those movements that do apply over to field sports and athletics. So to Omar's question, when we're talking about training and the specific type of training, what level of intensity should we train at? And do we pay attention to the RPE scale? The RPE scale is an acronym that stands for rate of perceived exhaustion. So on the RPE scale, a 0 would be this set was super easy, and a 10 would be I almost died, right? Ideally, we like to train at an RPE between 7 and 9 with an average of 8 in general. Now, there's some context to this. If we are performing, and if you haven't listened, I will actually load that video somewhere in one of these corners here. I will load the video of the rule of 25. If you have not seen that, please go back and see that, because I need to reference some of those rep schemes, set and rep schemes here for you. Let's say we are training with the 4x6. That is 4 sets of 6 repetitions at approximately 90% of our 1RM. I'll do a 1RM video for you guys soon, how to determine your true RM. But if we're thinking about the RPE, the rate of perceived exhaustion per set of each of 4 sets, performing 6 repetitions per set, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to attain that 7 to 9 RPE. My set one should probably be a 7 or 8. Set 2 should probably be a solid 8. Set 3 should probably be an 8 or 9. Set 4 should probably be a 9. I'm always trying to keep within that relative rep range. Now, when we flip it and back to the rule of 25 video again, let's say I'm not training 4 sets of 6 repetitions at 90% of 1RM. I'm actually training 8 sets of 3 repetitions at 30% of 1RM. That 30% is based upon speed, bar speed, and velocity. I'm trying, if I'm an 800-pound deadlifter, I'm trying to apply 800 pounds of force to a 30%, 240-pound barbell for 3 rapid repetitions, again, with perfect form. I can still have an RPE of 7 to 9 based upon the amount of effort, the applied intensity to each one of those specific repetitions within each one of those 8 specific sets. So to answer your question, Omar, I'm shooting, usually almost always shooting for an RPE between 7 and 9. If we go RPE 10, and usually I reserve that for the most advanced of athletes who understand how deep they can dip their toe into the abyss without it getting ripped off, right? Most people, no matter how long you've been training, even high-level intermediates are still unaware of what happens at a true 10% max intensity. The risk of injury hockey sticks up. It hockey sticks up once we get close to that 10, if we're pushing for 10s. That's not something I, as a coach, recommend. Long term, you are best spending the majority of your training time in that 7 to 9 RPE scale, but closer to the 8 to 9 RPE range. I hope that helps you. Click some links below. Do you want to work with me one-on-one? I would love to work with you. Check out our online coaching program. I call it the VIP Elite program. You can click the link below to learn more. There is a wait list that is just about to go live. And when it does, we literally get to work together in near real time. A lot more information about that. Click the link below. Whatever I can do to help you guys, I absolutely am honored and happy to do so. Leave questions, leave comments. Thank you, Omar, for leaving this one. If anyone else has any other questions on this topic or any other topics, please let me know and I'll answer it possibly in a future video. Until next time, boom.